Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some jewelry pieces from Mint & Lily. Mint & Lily has so many cute and affordable jewelry pieces on their website, and a lot of their pieces are also customizable, which I love. Who doesn't love a customized necklace or ring? I think those would make a great gift for the holidays for you or your loved ones. So the jewelry comes in this cute little Mint & Lily bag, which I think is so adorable. And then you just open it. And then once you open it, the Mint & Lily box is inside with the jewelry. So this is the first piece that I got, and this is a ring, but it's not just a regular ring. This is actually a fidget ring. This is what it looks like on, and then you can spin it. This is perfect for when you're going somewhere and you're feeling a little anxious or a little nervous, or you're bored. For me, I do get social anxiety sometimes. I do get anxious when I'm out in public, so this is so perfect for me. Originally, I was going to wear it on my index finger, but I got a size that was a little bit too small. That was my fault. But this size is actually my ring finger size, so it fits perfectly on my ring finger. It's not uncomfortable, it's not too tight, and it's not loose at all. I got mine in silver because I am a silver girly. As you can see from my earrings, I normally wear silver, so I got all of the jewelry in silver, but they do have different finishes. Here is the next piece that I got, and it's a beautiful name necklace with my name on it. Look how pretty that is and how shiny. I really love the font as well. The font on this is so cute. I'm actually going to put it on right now so you guys can see what it looks like on. Okay, here is what the necklace looks like on, and I love it. It's the perfect length. This is actually 16 inches and it has a 2-inch extender. So I love that, but this is the perfect length for me. I love it, and it looks super cute on. This is going to be my everyday necklace. I think it looks super cute. This is the last piece that I got, and it's probably the most special to me. I got this cute little locket, and if you can see, it has a C on there for Connie. If you can see, let me try to, the glare is kind of, I'll put a video somewhere here of the close-up so you guys can see it better, but it's a cute little locket. And then on the inside of the locket are pictures of my son. I have one from when he was just 1 year old, and then the other side has his most recent school picture. And this was so cute. This one is so special to me because I love that I could have pictures of my son in there. That way I could wear this locket and have it on me at all times and carry pictures of my son on there. I've always wanted a locket with some little pictures inside. I love how easily you can just upload the pictures on their website, and they will put the pictures inside for you and ship it out, so you don't have to cut out the pictures yourself and try to fit them in there perfectly. You just upload the pictures that you want on their website, and then they will put them inside of the locket, and then the locket will come with the pictures already inside. So I think that's super convenient and way easier than doing everything yourself and having to find a little tiny picture that you can fit in there. So I love this locket so much. I'm gonna put this one on as well to layer with my name necklace so you guys can see what it kind of looks like. This one is a little bit longer, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but let me put it on. Here is what it looks like with both of them on, and I think they're both the perfect length to wear together. So the locket is around 18 inches long, I believe. I don't know if it has an extender. I'm not sure, but I'll put it on here if it does have an extender. I think it comes with a 2-inch extender. This is what the locket looks like on. I think that looks really cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. And then I could just open it and show people pictures of my son. So cute. This would be such a great gift for any mom that you know. This would also be really cute for pets. If you have any pets that you want to have on your locket. Love that I can layer them like this together, or I could just wear one or the other separately. These are my new everyday jewelry essentials, pretty much. Those are all the jewelry pieces that I got from Mint and Lily. I absolutely loved all of them. They were actually kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you're interested in ordering anything off of their website, you can use my discount code Connie20. I'll put it on the screen and you'll get 20% off of your order. They also offer free shipping and free returns and a lifetime guarantee. All of the info will be down in the description box. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!